What's up, London? It's your boy Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, down here at the one, the only Force City Dodge, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly install a baby seat. All right, guys, I'm just winging it, so I'm going to assume strap the baby in here, like so, and in under 3 seconds, hey, filling at the door, baby seat installed. All right, guys, as you can tell, I just nailed it in under 3 seconds. But I'm actually going to get my boy Phil to show you how to properly install this.
So the best thing to do first, put the headrest down by just pulling the lever here, bring the seat in.
And you're going to locate the anchors down here at the bottom of the seat, quick pull and tighten up the seat, and then run the anchor along the back of the seat, baby seat in. There you have it, guys. It takes 2 men and half a baby to get this thing done.
Come on down to 658 Warncliffe Road South. See Paul and myself at Force City Dodge. We'll help you out with anything